Adri Stanley and I'm the Superintendent Technical SHERQ Training at Khumani Mine at Assmang in the Northern Cape. This week I'm at Tech here in Durban. What we are currently doing here is testing our new 271 Pit Viper autonomous drill rig simulator. We are testing the functionality of the simulator and also how we integrate it with our own mine world on the mine itself. Assmang is currently using the CYBERMINE simulators for more than 17 years. We are having 4 base units with 12 different caps, haul truck simulators, drill rig simulators, auxiliary machines, which is our graders, dozers, shovel simulators that we are currently utilizing on the mine as we speak. Tech simulators, what we like is it's an interactive system. You actually need to be hands-on with the specific machine that you have been trained on. It can give you an opportunity to see that where I'm going to work is exactly what I'm trained on specifically. So you minimize the risk based on knowing the machine from the start and also the environment that you are going to work in. With the simulator, training offers several ways of benefits, and one of the benefits is hands-on experience, innovative, immediate feedback that we are going to get, and also what is very important, they are assisting you with stress management. We're currently using the simulators for novice training, also to empower our communities, and also every 2 years when you are refreshing your license, you will also go through your simulation process. Currently, we have a process that we started with as a project on looking at the brake failure. So at the end of the day, what we can see is there was a 40 to 60% improvement after they have been simulated. The feedback from operators is a great tool to use before they've been exposed to the real life. So when they arrive at the machine, they know how to handle the machine, how to treat the machine, what is the do's and don'ts of the specific machine itself.